Hey guys, I'm Mike.
I'm Charlie.
And we're with Midwest Adventure Life, and today we are installing
ECOXGEAR soundbar.
the ECOXGEAR soundbar. This thing has got lights shown the other side, the back side.
This is the battery operated version. I'm pretty sure this is the upgraded version, correct?
Yep. So it's battery operated. It's got lights like you can do almost like headlights. The speakers color change. We'll show all that once it's installed. But we've got this specific bracket here. This fits the top of our Precedent series club car, which is like from, I don't know, 1980 to current. It's something crazy. So this will mount right up on top. You don't have to drill any holes. We're going to take these 4 bolts that hold the top onto the rail here, and this will mount, and then this Eco bar will hang directly from it. We'll show you when it's finished. The cool thing about this bar is it does come with tons of different mounting options, but I'm the kind of guy that likes to make it look right, so they also make specific mounts for golf carts. So that's what we got this one specifically for it. The only downside of this is we had to remove our rear view mirror that was in the place where the soundbar will be, but we are going to get the side mirrors that come off the sides to replace the mirror that we had to remove. So we're going to get this hung, and then we'll show you some of the features of the soundbar. Just got to move these 2 bolts here on that side, and then repeat the process on that side. All right, so we had this mounted up. I got to change the hardware. I left some rubber spacers in there, but we had a double washer up top because the hardware provided actually bottomed out into the soundbar before it was tight. So it's nice and tight now. I'm gonna probably change the hardware, might add something, but it is mounted, it is tight. That's my feedback on the hardware. Charlie, show them how this thing works.
So you got your battery here. It's just like a drill battery, and then it includes a charger. So you're just gonna take your Velcro strap out of the way, push that in. This goes right down through here. Pull tight, just like that. Click. That's just your percentage there. And then if you come back around up front, you hold the power button.
Speaker on.
So now this
FM mode. Your phone is connected.
So it's connected to my phone right now, and there's different modes.
Aux in.
Audio in.
Show them the lights.
Speaker mode. ECOXGEAR transmitting.
So these are the front lights, just green, red, white, blue.
And show them these ones here.
This one is if you had, right now they're off, but that's because right now they would go to the music, but there's no music playing. And then this is a rainbow effect, off. Then you got front light that's red, yellow, and white. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
All right.